Welcome to Arohan Uncut. Today, I'm going to read out or discuss one of the best books by renowned author Dr. Sima Bora. Name of the book is Success Mantra. Preface by the author. What is the cause of success? In most cases, unless you define yourself as a failure, your route to success is not hindered. Until you feel demoralized, your path to victory will not come to a halt. So, just go forward. But making progress is also challenging. The road to success in life is paved with many challenges. If you can get those barriers out of the way, success will be within reach. We explore those domains of failure in this book as well. Some individuals are considered to stop midway because they procrastinate. The path to success might not be too far from the place where he left off. A person may grow weary of holding off in these conditions frequently. Sometimes you could feel worn out. We will try to have a discussion about those worries in this book. Success is never easy for one to accomplish. Lacking responsibility, success never enters into a person's existence. Nevertheless, you additionally require somebody to mentor you if you want to be success. We hope to imply such with the assistance of this book. Success should resonate in your mind. This book additionally contributed to my personal accomplishment. Support from people has a significant part in it. There are numerous pleasantries engaged. I want to express my sincere thanks for everyone who shared with me advice and inspiration. Please let us know if you got something from the book. I will be motivated to compose more books in the years to come. With warm regards, Dr. Sima Bora. Now, you are convinced that words matter on a deeper level than you think. Change your definition of failure to something more successful. American Heritage Dictionary of English Language defines failure as the condition or fact of not achieving the desired end or ends. Play with this definition a little, we can develop a more powering way to think about failure. This definition talks about the desired end. If instead of making your desired end solely about the final success, but instead define it as learning, you will never again fail in the traditional sense. You will also start considering failure your friend and not a reason to give up. If you focus on the learning experience, you will realize how much flawed the common definitions of failure and success are. Build success through trial and error. It's the failure and the lessons it provides that turn you into a winner, not avoiding it. Sticking to what's known, easy and comfortable is a surefire way to not reach your goals. When a shy man chats up a woman and she rejects him, did he fail or succeed? To an average person watching the interaction, the man has been rejected. He failed, but did he really? His intention is to overcome shyness, or in other words, to learn something. The outcome of his approach doesn't matter. Desired end is to learn how to become more confident. He was brave enough to step outside his comfort zone and talk. In terms of his purpose, rejection might have been an even better outcome than getting a woman's phone number, because repeatedly getting rejected helps him to get used to it. Rock climbing, you learn more on a difficult route you can't finish than an easy route that you climb effortlessly. It helps you pinpoint weaknesses you need to address and uncovers your true character. Dealing with the difficulties and the fear of potential fall also sharpens your mental game and helps you to become a better climber overall. Your desired end is learning, is taking a fall, a failure or success. It is really better to climb an easy route and succeed with no learning process or fall off a difficult one but learn something new and become a better climber. In martial arts, for training purposes, losing can be more valuable than winning. You lose against a more able partner, you discover your technical shortcomings. When you crush a weak rival, there's little to no learning. Getting beaten a failure if you learn something new you otherwise wouldn't have learned. Joe Watkin notes in his book The Art of Learning, An Inner Journey to Optimal Performance, great ones are willing to get burned time and again as they sharpen their swords in the fire. Beating weak opponents, crushing easy problems, or doing things well within your comfort zone might make you look good in the eyes of other people, but it's challenging yourself that leads you to improvement and long lasting success. Challenging yourself and persevering in spite of difficulties isn't easy by any means. And we will spend more time with this topic in a later chapter. For now, make a mental note that failure and success are two sides of the same coin, and one cannot exist without the other.